Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to learn how to draw Godzilla Minus One, but like a close-up of his face, alright? So we're going to go through this step by step, and we'll talk about it along the way, alright? So stay with me. Let's get started over here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the top of Godzilla's head right here. Like kind of like a, you know, little bit of the brow, right? Which is that area right above your eyes right there. And we're going to have a little bit of the dome here going out. We can kind of make it bumpy as we're curving it along, right? Just a little bump to give it that illusion of texture going on. And it's kind of going down the back of his neck right there. All right. Curve over here for the front. Over here, the front of the nose. Just a bit. Curve right there for the actual snout, right? That he has got going on. Rolling back over here, curve up. And he's got this snarling thing going on. So we're going to snarl into the cheek. Back into the cheek. Over here is kind of an opening. Curve over here for kind of that lizards have it on the side of their mouth. Dinosaurs have had it as well. And line down here. Curve underneath. Underneath here. Up. And let's go over here. Line, line. Line, line. And downward right here. Curve underneath. And pull back up here. Kind of here the back of the jaw there. Line over here. Over here. For the rest of the neck right there. So we have that close-up, that zoom in, right, of Godzilla Minus One. Line over here. Up. Down. Curve here for the eyes right there, a circle. And the eye, underneath the eye, we're going to have the skin kind of pushing up in there as he's snarling. Dot for the eye right there, and a little bit of thickness here as well. Line, line, line. Curve in here. Line over here. Line, 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 line. And like right there, curving right here for the teeth underneath there. Let's get the nostril on this side and make it look right. And we want some of the spikes over here on this side. By the way, if you like learning how to draw in general, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. You know, it's gonna inform you when I post. I post every day. So, and I post those mixture drawing videos, and I'm always doing some creative on the channel. So, love hearing your feedback. If you say hi on this video right now, I'll know that you saw up to this point. That's what's cool about it. Say hi. Promise I'll respond to every single anything. Any comment, I'll respond. Try me. Spike kind of over here showing in his back. He's got these really wild spikes. Right on. Line over here. Kind of filling out these teeth here, because when you look at Godzilla, Godzilla is like, I wouldn't say all about detail, but he is a lot about his texture. So let's do this. Throw these little lines over here for kind of a shadow pattern underneath the neck. Putting that in there like so, kind of filling out this shadow pattern right there. We got his tongue in the mouth there. And line, line over here, line around the corner here. Curve, curve, curve. And over here as well. Just kind of, what I'm doing now is, from this point on, a lot of him is just this detail. A lot of him is this texture, right? So now he looks like this blank slate, and we gotta throw these little curves around here, little spikes, you know, to give him the feeling of more realistic of what he is. Because especially this Godzilla, they show him like very they show him in like broad daylight a whole lot, and he looks very, very, very scaly, and I think he's gonna be mostly scale. So at this point we're kind of going in here and we're throwing curves, throwing curves, throwing curves here. Just throwing these like curved things going on underneath here. And if you want, you can even like put this spike over here in shadow, honestly, but I'm not really gonna do that. But that's like a simple way right there of drawing Godzilla -1. Just very simplistic kind of outline over here, you know. And again, you can just keep going on, almost not forever, but you can kind of keep going on and on and on into this simplified kind of version of him. All right, stay with me and let's do another drawing together. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.